not driving. Jason is driving. I am safe in the car, though. We are basically self-quarantined together.
Lucky me, right? Seriously, lucky me. Yay! Whitney wave!
Well, this was going to be a quick video, but now it's going to turn into a totally different something or another. No, seriously, I want y'all to know that opportunities are here. Oh, don't get on the interstate. It stopped.
Okay.
Just wrap around to Asheville Highway. I want y'all to know that opportunities are here. They are right here in front of us all day, every day. I have seen a lot of people freaking out, though, about buyers and tenants and all this stuff. I want you to tenants, the people that you have renting your houses and your apartments, some of them are not going to want to renew their year lease with you because they don't want to be in this apartment complex with 12 other people anymore. They don't want to be in this triplex with 3 other families anymore. They were thinking, yeah, we could rent this place and save up some more money for another year, but now they're thinking, you know, we've got some money. Maybe this is the time that we find a rent-to-own house. Your tenants just became tenant buyers. Okay? And let's also talk about the people that were thinking that they were going to buy a house this spring or summer. A lot of them are thinking, you know what? Yeah, Yui. A lot of them are thinking, you know what? Maybe we shouldn't go into a 30-year mortgage right now. So your buyers, regular real estate agents, I'm talking to you, your buyers are about to become my tenant buyers because they're going to think, gosh, maybe I should get a rent-to-own house and just kind of hunker down for the next year or two and see what's going on and then buy the house or then become a regular buyer. Y'all, the opportunities are here and they are here now. If you are out helping sellers, you are in a good position because you are in the best position. This seller's market that we've been having just became a buyer's market, all right? You are making offers. You are the one in control. You are the one that is going to be able to connect the sellers to the real estate investors who are the real cash buyers, because the ones that have been dibble-dabbling in the market, they are gone. They just pieced out last Saturday. Okay? The real estate investors are about to show up and they're about to stand up, and a lot of them saw what happened in 08 and 09 and they learned their lessons from other people, but they are going to be super conservative in the money they are putting into the market, which means your offers need to also be super conservative. All right? Opportunities are out there. Sellers still need to sell. Life is still happening. It's just on a little bit of a pause. And a way I want you to think about this is, we haven't had to hunt for our food in America on purpose for a long time. People have been hunting and been stockpiling deer meat in the freezer, but it's been more like recreational style, and it hasn't been because that's how they have to feed their family. But a long time ago, we used to have to hunt for food, and our favorite method for a long time was a bow and arrow. That was new technology for a while, okay? I love the national parks. We go to a lot of national parks and we learn about how people used to feed their families a long time ago, before Publix was around and before it was a catastrophe that Publix closed at 8. People were still feeding their families. But I love the bow and arrow example because I feel like we're in a little bit of the bow and arrow era right now. The way a bow and arrow works is you have to pull back to spring forward. All right, and we're in a little bit of a pause right now, and this is a great way for you to pause your goals and what you want to accomplish, and you can feel like you're being pulled back a little bit. Somebody said it was 1 step forward and 2 steps back. That's a bow and arrow example, and God uses these bows and arrows, a pull back. He uses this to spring you forward 10 times when things get released. All right, y'all, this is not the end of the world. Everything is not crashing around. The sky is not falling. It is raining, but the sky is not falling. This is a bow and arrow example, y'all. You are maybe being pulled back. You are maybe being paused, but it's so you can spring forward when things get released. You can go 10 times further, 10 times faster if you will be pulled back right now. When these things release, you're going to be super glad that you stacked up yellow letters. You're going to be super glad that you were making really conservative offers. You're going to be super glad that you kept going through all this so that when everybody starts to rush to catch up, you're going to be 10 times further. You're going to have 10 houses under contract. You're going to be having the relationships established with sellers so that you can go forward when things get released. Y'all keep going. The opportunities are out there, and they are out there right now. Do everything that you can right now in this pullback. Do everything you can to pull back and be ready, because when it gets released and everything starts shooting forward and it's at super fast, super speedy times and things go back to normal, you're going to be super glad that you pushed forward and you kept going and you were proactive during the slow time. Opportunities are here, and they are here now. Y'all go get them. Help people, all right? Pad your offers, maybe make your contracts a little bit longer than you would normally do it, but y'all keep going. The opportunities are here, and they are here now for you to help sellers. It's not even about making a whole bunch of money. It's not even about being a hog. Hogs get slaughtered, all right? Get out there, start meeting some other wholesalers. Get out there, start talking to people, even on the phone, with some real cash buyers. There's some things that you can be doing from the safety of your house and the safety of your comfort zone while you are in a pause. This is how a bow and arrow works, and this is what we are experiencing in life right now. Opportunities are out. Take advantage of this time that you've been given. Okay? Mwah. I love y'all. Keep going, stay strong, stay healthy, stay warm, take care of people, but don't forget to be a helper and help people. As real estate investors, we are problem solvers. It is time to solve some problems and help some people. We'll make money and we will set up generational wealth, but that takes a backseat to helping people right now. But don't get into a nasty deal just to help somebody else out of the sinking water. All right, be smart about it. Now I have to help Jason cross 2 lanes of traffic. Mwah. Bye, y'all.